Want to stop players for spamming powers in your Roblox game? Here's how to add a cooldown system in under 90 seconds. Step 1. Create your power script. Add a local script for client-side powers or script for server-side logic, where you handle the power. We'll assume you're using a remote event called usePower. Step 2. Add cooldown logic. Inside your script, add this code. This prevents players from triggering the power again until the cooldown ends. Step 3. Test it. Click the button or press the key. It should only activate once every 5 seconds. Want a visual cooldown? Add a countdown on the bottom of your UI fill effect for a better feedback. That's how to easily add cooldowns to powers in your Roblox game. Make your combat system balanced and fun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.